Today's the day.
Today is the big day. I can't hide this smile off my face.
Where are we headed, Dan?
Hong Kong!
Well, today, but where are we eventually headed?
Europe.
And?
Vietnam.
And?
Morocco.
And?
America.
And?
Canada.
Hopefully.
Maybe.
And?
Maybe Mexico.
Yeah.
Very excited.
It's come along so quickly.
Yes, it's going to be 3 months away from me. So that's going to be the longest trip. Welcome to Hong Kong, everyone. How many times have you been here? Well, we will check back in with you guys later once we've gone to our hotel. So we're staying at the Cordis Langham Place on the club floor. We haven't got into our room yet, but this hotel is way too fancy for me. So here is our room. You wanna pull the key out?
Yes. Alright.
Let's do this. Get them lights going. Where even are we? I don't know where the lights are. There's a light switch. Oh my god, guys. What the hell is this? This is a 5-star. Still can't find the light switches for this, but it's a king-size bed. But most importantly, look at that friggin' view. Oh my god. That is so cool.
Oh, the view is sick. It always is from this hotel. It's just got such a good view because it's one of the tallest buildings, I guess, in Bangkok, and yeah, you just get a really good view no matter what room you stay in.
Well, we're here for the next couple of nights, and I think waking up to this view every morning is going to be totally worth it.
So we've got some slippers down there, and we also have a complimentary smartphone. So this is to call back home and to use data while we're here, just to see where we are and GPS and all that sort of thing. So those smartphones are actually really handy. We've had one before when we stayed in Hong Kong actually, and it was just like a lifesaver for everything that we wanted to do. It was just so easy having a phone, and you didn't have to worry about getting a SIM card or taking your own phone along or anything like that. It was just all in one easy phone, really, ready for us when we got here. So it's really cool that we get to use that now, and I can actually call my parents back home in Australia for free, which is great. That's even better.
Good morning, everyone. Today is our first full day in Hong Kong. Waking up to this view outside of Hong Kong at the Cordis Langham Place. Such a cool view. I still can't get over it. When I woke up, I just totally forgot that we had the view and looked out the window because we left the blinds open. Could see that and was just like, oh, that's so cool. We're gonna go down to the ground floor now and we're gonna have breakfast. So apparently they have a very famous buffet breakfast here. We're super hungry. We're gonna stock up on some food for the day. Outfits for the day. We look pretty good. Got our big coats on.
Yeah, I think I'll be pretty warm.
This is why, because it's grey and raining outside.
We are on the streets of Bangkok at the moment, and it's been raining. It's like just stopped actually, so at least we've been able to put the umbrella down. But it's super cold today. It's probably only about 10 degrees, which is, it's cold for Australians. Yeah,
we don't get cold weather.
No way. So yeah, we're just gonna have a little look around some of the streets around Bangkok. I've been here quite a few times before. Dan has been here before as well. So I think this time in Hong Kong, we can kind of like chill out a little bit more and actually see things that we haven't gotten to see before. We don't have to do the touristy things, but having said that, we do want to do the Walk of Fame because we haven't actually done that together. I did it probably about nearly 10 years ago now, so I think it'd be really cool to do again. And to go down to the harbour, but today is looking a little bit miserable, so
maybe tomorrow.
Maybe tomorrow.
If the weather's better.
Hopefully it'll be better. Park at the moment, and I've never been to Kowloon Park. I've been to Hong Kong literally about 8 times before, and I've never been here, so it's actually really beautiful and very quiet up here. I can't believe it's in the middle of the city. It's really, really tranquil, and seems to be quite a bit of wildlife around as well, with birds and a few turtles over there. It's really, really pretty. There's like a billion pigeons way in that corner over there. I don't know if you guys can see this. There's so many. Oh my god, it's like a swarm.
Guys, it's a couple hours later. The last video you just saw, we were up in the club lounge having some afternoon tea.
Which was way too cold to be there, by the way.
Yes, it was included in our room.
So we were only there for the free food.
We were, and we took advantage of it because it was included, and it was great, and we had a great view of Hong Kong, as you would have saw. So having coffee and eating some afternoon tea, snacks and things like that with a view of Hong Kong was amazing. Now we're gonna go get dinner. Probably gonna get some Asian food of some kind, maybe Japanese. We are back in our room, guys. We had okonomiyaki for dinner, and now we've got dessert. So it's called a tulip. So I've got matcha ice cream or gelato in like a waffle cone kind of flower shaped thing, and Kaylee got a cheesecake flavor. How's yours?
That's pretty good.
What flavor did you get?
Marble cheesecake. I don't think it tastes like cheesecake, but it tastes really good, so I don't care.
Just gonna finish our ice cream now, maybe watch some Chinese TV, continue looking at that view outside, and then go to bed and get up early tomorrow to explore more of Hong Kong. So we will see you tomorrow.